got signed to Lil Wayne, who's a mixtape freestyle legend.
Who?
But way before he became a freestyle legend, you had at what that time would be considered a viral moment when you freestyled on Smack.
Yeah.
15 years old in the car.
No license.
No license. You was driving that car?
Hell no.
Get him, bitch.
Yeah, get him, bitch.
Yeah.
How did that situation come about? Like
He gonna bug out too, cause I know he noticed, but he probably don't remember. Uncle Lord, shout out Lord Tariq.
Yes.
Uncle Lord went to school to get me from Monroe. I'm across the street watching him pull up and going to school. I already left that day. I'm standing there looking across the street. I'm like, damn, like, do I tell him? Or do I wait till he come back outside? Like,
Gotta wait.
I'm not going to yell across the street, yo, Uncle, I'm already, you know what I mean?
right.
He pulled up to get me from school that day. So I waited. Everybody came out or whatever. He noticed, he ended up seeing me. He's like, what you doing out here? Like, come on, come to the studio. We go, Germ there. Me and Germ is outside just waiting for the after school, everybody to leave school, whatever. We get in the car, go to the studio. Shout out Uncle E. Beasley. Shout out Smack.
Right.
We was all in and that was right on Castle Hill too, where we did that J9. He pulled up. We went over there. He was like, yo, throw this beat. Uncle Lord was like, yo, y'all gotta hear him. Nephew got some shit. Throw this on. He's like, yo, let me hear that joint you know what I'm saying? Let me hear that joint you wrote.
Joint you got, yeah.
I'm like, all right. He's like, yo, nah, just throw that on. Go on the camera. Let him do something. Tariq is the one who made them throw the joint on and let me rap. And when I did that, that shit just went where it went. Me and Germ just went. We got a bunch. We had at that time, we had mad joints.
Right.
Like that was like that.
Right.
We had mad joints. That's all I would do after school every day. Like just write, come up with different shit. So we had mad joints. That day that happened to fit. Everything just worked out the way it did. And
so you was 15? What, that's like 10th grade?
Yeah, I was 15. I was 02.
So what was that notoriety like for you at that time? Like did your pussy count go up?
I'm gonna be real, and I don't want him to, cause this is the first interview I'm really doing with Big Bro next to me. I already, like, a lot of people don't know this about me, bro. Like, and it's kind of weird, cause people would think I'm all here introvert, he this and that. I really literally been outside since I was about 12 years old, bro.
Right.
I like, you know, right?
Mm-hmm.
I done battled from a kid. I done been to every block.
Right.
Cuzzo's.
We used to pull up on Lux block.
We pull up everywhere.
Right.
He don't know I remember this. We went to Boston or some shit one night. Random. Remember? We went to like Boston somewhere. It was midnight, bro. Like 1, 2 in the morning. We went. Did what we had to do though. Came back,
right.
So I would be doing that shit regularly, like all the time. Like if I wasn't with Big Bro running around, battling or doing whatever, my pops had me somewhere on somebody, you know what I'm saying? So I would always be out early, like doing a lot of that shit early on. So it was kind of like hearing and seeing other people take notice to it kind of hit me a little different outside of hearing about it outside, if that makes sense. Like when you're starting to see different people, I'm going to take a meeting with my dad and they're like, yo, saw that DVD, I saw that. Yeah. So now I was like, oh, hold on, like, you know what I mean? Yeah. And then on that shit, the volume I was on was a memorable volume, bro. That was Mook and Mills battle.
That's what I'm saying. That was viral
that
for the
shit
time.
Was crazy.
That was crazy. That was like, so me, always being a rapper, watching the Smack DVD, I'm watching the shit like, all right, this nigga's whack. This nigga's gangster, so they fucking with him. When I seen you, first of all, I'm like, he can't even fit in a fucking...
You knew I wasn't driving.
The way you was rapping, I thought you was. I'm like, maybe if he's rapping like that, maybe he is driving a... That shit made me get on my pen so crazy. I'm like, all right.
Johnny Pell.
I'm like, if it's niggas out here like this...
That green shit.
I thought that was Ski shit. That's crazy.
That was Johnny.
Nah, that was different though.
Ski gave it to him.
Okay, yeah, I remember.
You remember?
Yeah.
And I got it from his class. I was wearing that shit to school. Our cousin.
That was different. I said, yo, if it's niggas out here that rap like this, nah, I gotta figure something out.
And one thing we don't get our fucking credit for. me and you set up Lux versus Mook first joint.
Nah, you did that
In the store?
Nah, you didn't.
Fuck is wrong
He
with
did
them
that.
niggas, man?
In the store?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he did that.
How
I
did you?
called the store.
I'll be
I
real.
set the shit up. I had Lux with me. Niggas
It's
don't
a lot
give
of
me
shit.
credit for that shit,
It's
man.
a lot of shit niggas did that I just be like, you know what? But that like, and not as far as them, shout out Mook and Lux. They're not them. We just talking about the people
Yeah,
behind that
I be
shit.
seeing
Like
little
it's like,
shit,
yo,
I'm
bro.
I set it up.
Right. So
Yeah.
how did that come? How did you set that up?
They was always talking crazy about Mook. Like, yo, Mook can fuck with Lux. I was a Lux fan.
Right.
So I'm like, yo,
Because
listen.
you low key a Harlem nigga.
No, I'm a Bronx
You
nigga.
really anytime I've
Nah.
never seen you in the Bronx. Anytime I see you in Harlem.
I am a Bronx nigga.
You one of them Bronx Harlem niggas. Can we say that at
It's
least?
Bronx Harlem.
You a Bronx Harlem nigga.
It's a mix.
Like my man Ice. He's
Nah,
the same way.
I'm going with the Bronx.
And you going with the Bronx, but you's a Bronx Harlem nigga.
I like Harlem.
You
We
love
got
it.
family, like blood, like real blood family in both boroughs. So it's like,
My kids is
Your
in
son
Harlem.
is from Harlem.
yeah.
Both my
Both
sons
of your
is
sons
in
is from Harlem?
Yeah.
Because you be in Harlem?
But if they come out of me, aren't they from the Bronx?
No.
Okay.
No. He from
Harlem,
Harlem.
yeah.
From Harlem.
All right. They from Harlem.
So you being a Bronx Harlem nigga,
Yeah.
you was rooting for Lux. And how did this come about?
I hit up Beasley, I think, and he was like, "Yo, find a spot. Let's
Shout
put
Uncle
it together."
Bees, man.
So I
You
reached
host
out.
something.
It was a spot on 3rd Avenue. I used to buy wild jackets from these niggas. I'm like, "Yo, listen, can we use y'all spot to have a battle?" They're like,
Right.
"Yo, as long as you promise no violence, pull up."
Right.
I told Bees the address. I got Lux. Pulled up to the store. Them niggas did the battle, but I never got the credit for that shit.
Well, you getting in now, man. Because listen, I didn't know that. I'm watching it. I see Sleep in the video. I see.
Yeah, Sleep came with me.
Okay.
G-Rap, Sleep. They
Yeah.
always with me.
So
Shout out Sleep.
Shout out
to
man.
Sleep.
G
man.
Rap too, man. Shout out G Rap, man. Kill it be killed, motherfucker.
So like I said, them shots kicking in.